friends, today we're going to be doing a very quick haul video. These were just a couple items that I saw from Makeup Revolution and I thought they were so cute. I had to get them, and I kind of have a problem with like whenever there's a set or like a collection of things, sometimes I can't help myself and I get the whole collection, which is what I did this time. Looking back on it, I'm like, okay, this is kind of silly, but I wanted to share it with you guys anyway, in case if you guys have better self-control and you think these are cute and you only want to get one or two of them, then hopefully this video will help you with making your decision. So like I said, these are from Makeup Revolution. These are actually body lotions and shower gels, and when I saw these, I was like, okay, come on, those are stupid cute. So these are what they look like. They are little like cans of soda. It's adorable. I don't know why it got me so much, especially since now that I'm looking at it, I'm like, okay, it's kind of weird because the first one I have here is the vegan mint chocolate body lotion is on this side, and then this one is the shower gel. Now that I'm looking at it, I'm like, that doesn't really make a whole lot of sense with like the can like design, because what mint chocolate sodas do you know about? I'm sure there's some that exist, but I just thought it was kind of funny and I didn't put that together till like right this moment, but I had to get these. These are so cute. So each of the scents, there is a lotion and a shower gel, and I realized this is the only one where the actual label of it is reversed. I'll show you the other ones in a minute. So starting off, these were $10 a piece. Oh, looking back, I'm like, really? $10? I spent $10 a piece on these, and I did get all of them. There are 4 different scents and a lotion and a gel of each product, so I spent some money, but I did get a discount. I got 20 bucks off with a coupon code, so at least I didn't pay completely full price. Okay, so that is the mint chocolate. It doesn't really have a whole lot of color. It does have like a slight mint, but obviously nothing colored. So this one, it feels very smooth. I like the way it feels. It's definitely more of a thinner texture. It reminds me a lot more of like the Bath and Body Works like signature lotions. It's definitely that kind of texture. Definitely smells good. It's not the best mint chocolate scent I've smelled before in a body product. I feel like the chocolate part of it smells a little bit on the fakey side, but overall not the worst chocolate I've smelled either. All right, and the next set that I got are the vegan coconut and almond scents. So this one is the lotion, this one is the shower gel. I forgot to mention the body ones are called Body Shake and the shower ones are called Shower Shake. Again, same cute packaging. Like I said, this one, the labels aren't reversed like the mint chocolate one was. That's the only one that they reversed the labels on. I feel like I wish they would have done that on all of them so you can easily differentiate the two of them a lot faster. Okay, let's smell this one. So this one is the coconut almond. I'm gonna take a little bit of that and put it on my hand here. Okay, that one definitely smells really good. I definitely think more of the coconut is coming through than the almond, but I definitely get a little bit of hint of that. And so far, I think I like it more than the mint chocolate one. So far, I'm gonna give the coconut almond one, that one's gonna go first place as of right now. Okay, the next scent of the two is cherry. So this one makes sense because there's like cherry Coke and stuff. So I feel like the packaging makes sense for this one. So again, there is the lotion, the shower gel, and let's smell this one. Ooh, the cherry is really good. Yeah, okay, the cherry is, okay, now cherry has moved to first place for me. It's a really good like fresh cherry. It's not like crazy strong or overpowering, and it doesn't smell like a medicine cherry, which is kind of like one of the things I feel like a lot of people don't like about cherries. It just reminds them of medicine, and this one totally doesn't give me that vibe at all. It's very sweet and very like light and fruity, but not that like cough syrup cherry. All right, and this is the final one. This is the watermelon scent. So again, this is what the packaging looks like, and let's try this one. I am a huge fan of watermelon, so let's see if this one dethrones the cherry. I don't know why, but I really wish they would have done like a cotton candy one. Not that like cotton candy like soda makes a whole lot of sense. I mean, I think there is a cotton candy soda, but I don't know, I feel like the colors of this one just like feels more cotton candy to me. I thought they would have done like green and red for watermelon, but they didn't ask me on the packaging design, so that's all right. Okay, watermelon is really good too. Okay, watermelon is really good. The only thing, I feel like it's kind of faint. It's definitely good if you want a more subtle scented lotion. It's definitely not the strongest. It does smell like a watermelon Jolly Rancher, but like kind of toned down, like not as strong. I wish like if it was exactly like a watermelon Jolly Rancher, I would probably make that my number one because that's one of my favorites. Okay, so my final ranking of all of the lotions in order as I would recommend them. So for me, this is like, okay, if I know what I know now and I could go back in time and just pick like one set, my top set would definitely have to be the cherry. I feel like that one is the strongest scent and it's very pleasant. So I would say if you're one of those people that don't really like cherry, you might be surprised by this one. But if you just absolutely hate cherry, maybe skip it. Number two, I would say I would go for the coconut and almond. I feel like it's a very safe scent. I also feel like it's a very common scent for lotions. Number three, I'm going to give to the watermelon because I like the fruitier scents overall more than the chocolate mint one. I feel like this is a good, like, nice subtle scent one. It does have a very light hint of scent. Finally, I'm going to give the last place to the mint chocolate chip just because I feel like, I don't know, I feel like I like it, but the more it's on my skin, it kind of gets that fake chocolate scent. It doesn't smell super convincing of chocolate to me. The mint smells really good, and I feel like the mint is the more like prominent scent in here. So if you like a mint flavored or scented lotion rather, then you might be all about this. But if you are someone that really doesn't like a fake chocolate scent, I would totally say skip on this one. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please like and subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram, link is below. And until my next video, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.